Our second question is a very tricky and intelligent question. We want to find the remainder when the number 5 power 99 is divided by 13. Now this question appears to be very tricky, but it can be very easily solved using the concepts of binomial theorem. We try to convert this 15 into 13 into some factor plus constant form. Now what we do, we write 5 power 99 as 5 power 3 into 5 power 96. This is 125, which we can write it as 13 into 9 plus 8. This 5 power 96, we can write it as 5 power 4 power 24. Now this 625 can be written as 13 into 48 plus 1, and this is as 13 into 9 plus 8. So what you are seeing is we are converting all the factors like 125 into 13 into some constant plus a constant form. So this is 13 into 9 plus 8 into, this is 1 plus x power n format, which we can write it as 1 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square going up till x power n, which is 13 into 48 power n, which is 24. Now we can see that when this 13 into 9 gets multiplied by this, there is a term generated which has 13, and when this factor gets multiplied by all these factors, there are terms of 13 getting generated. When this 8 gets multiplied by all these terms, there are terms of 13 getting generated, and when this 8 is getting multiplied by this 1, we have 8 getting generated, plus all the other terms have at least one 13 in them. So we can write this whole thing as 8 plus 13 times a constant. So we can very clearly see when this thing is divided by 13, the remainder which would be left is 8. So our final answer is the remainder is 8 when 5 power 99 is divided by 13. The concept which we used in this problem was to convert each of the factors in the form of 13k1 plus k2, where k1 and k2 are some integers. So our final answer is remainder is 8.